Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 past question commas. Question number 10 says, which of the following is a source of short-term finance? Short-term finance to a business, that is borrowing money in a short term, which is loan for a short time period. It could be short. When we talk of short time loan, short time loan could be for 6 months. 6 months could be for 1 year, could be for 2 years, and so on and so forth. Then option A, hire purchase. B, overdraft. C, lease. D, debenture. The correct option here is option B, which is overdraft. Now, I want to talk of overdraft. Overdraft simply means money that a banker, so an account owner has the ability to withdraw apart from his service or her service. The extra money that he or she is able to withdraw apart from the original amount of money that he or she has in his or her account. For instance, if somebody should have 10,000 naira in his or her account and he want to run a business that will cost 15,000 naira, and at the end of the day the banks allows him or her to withdraw 15,000 naira, the 5,000 naira extra here is what we regarded as overdraft. So it's a loan that the bank decides to give out to that account owner. So it's a short time finance or short time loan. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.